we encourage all the citizens of South Africa to understand the communication, the bilateral relationship, the bond that the whole Africa is having, that they must sustain the spirit of our founding fathers, the likes of Holy Sir Nelson Mandela, Holy Sir Nelson Mandela.
Mulweni bafethu, I hope everybody is doing great. Wherever you're watching this video from, it is salute lapho. Welcome back to your favorite channel. So we're back again with the best eMzansi bafethu. Let's go.
I-biological father, utata wayefunda i-biology esikolweni esesemncinci. Mna kokwami ke kubuhlungu ngoba andinayo i-biological father. Utata wami wayengayenza i-biology, wayenza i-agriculture. Shuthi ke ndine-agricultural father. Ngiyafuna ngibona i-agricultural father yami.
I know ngabe ifosho lo hlobo. Suka madala.
Ana driver. Hayibo.
Bathi iyahamba.
Iyahamba.
Hacemos por aquí local.
The weak Macharin, the weak, and the Sunday accepted away, like in the LPs, in the grand. I used to think it's because I'm not Mali. They fumani Mali, or just stealing, they say weak, nangu. Then I thought, no, maybe it's the way I look, chimini, that feet, still, it's a weak. It DMs them as a pendula. They reject ones. That's bad, I think as Netanjani. No man ndingathela nabani bazikhona i-therapist ezincedisa amajita weak emacherini.
Waphinda wathenga ibholo but still use weak. Hey, man, it's awesome.
Yo, what's happening there by the car? Yo, the window's keeping them there. Yo, Andy. Yo, shame, look here, I keep it on the tree. Yo, fuck, I don't even know. Walk over to the skip. Run, go.
Uchazele ukuthi Simphiwe ndibulele ngexesha lakho khasele undichazela into yobana le ngqungquthela ye-G20 kuthethwa ngayo ithetha ukuthini kuwe.
I-G20 I've heard abantu bathi G20 benga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani nge-G20 zitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-gangs ayi-20 but okay khona umuntu ewangi-explainela wathi
Nansi GPV right there. Hey, hayi bo.
Hayi bafana khohlwana makunamanzi. Khohlwana ngingenje mina lapha. Bengiyale but hayi sengivele ngameceleni ngathi hayi bazongilethela lempahla le. And ningadideki. Ngibona ilokhuzana iwindi hayi kuba clean livaliwe. Ulivaliwe ukuthi iclean. Bajethe ngivule iwindi.
Hey! Uyayibona ke lo. Akuthela misopo. Content. Akuthela misopo.
Ngamagqobusha uyayibona le yenze ngathi kukho into emnandi etyekayo apha kule ndawo le imani ibheka ijephe baya izabaloba jonga yabo lethusam le lo nalo kuba lo bathanda izinto izabaloba le ngathi kukho into emnandi apha yabo iseqhingini le bastard ihlele eqhingini apha zesamani betha apha ngathi ukutyiwa kamnandi nabe manje bejonga utya ntoni yo hayi make sejonga Thomi kwalo siyazithanda izinto indoda engathi nento eyityayo masiye sisondela kanti urheme usetiming inobhuqa bastard usetiming inobhuqa hlele eqhingini ijonge manje xola nabo yo yabazi ke uthanda izinto umjongo uzoxola kulaa ndawo kanye xolwa lo bekiyane uzobhuqwa rubbish uzobhuqwa nanginomnye naye siza pha amaxhobo obhuqu soko becinga uba bangamaxhobo bento kodwa sithanda izinto ratatinto girl funana uzobhuqwa.
Andimi ukapika ngayenza. Imilenze imijongenele. Uphansi wawo cupcake but awuzamile noko ndokunika 4 out of 10 yeah 4 nyana nje. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. For similar content make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Sure.